YouTube is going to be taking back some customization of our YouTube videos, which could affect how much money you make. It might be a good thing for some of you, some of it might be a pretty bad thing. But let me go ahead and talk about exactly what it is that they're doing. Starting November on 2023, they are going to be simplifying ad revenue customization on every video. Now, this ain't going to be for existing videos, videos that you already got on your channel. Anything new afterwards. So as of right now, once you turn on monetization for a new video, you have the option to have a pre-roll ad, post-roll ad, skippable ads, and non-skippable ads. What they're going to be doing is taking those away, and they are going to go ahead and show what they want to show based off the specific viewer. Some viewers will see pre-roll ads and post-roll ads, and it's the same way with skippable ads and skippable ads and non-skippable ads. Some viewers will see skippable ads, some viewers won't. So what about mid-roll ads? Those will also stay the exact same, so you'll still be able to customize mid-roll ads. So with that being said, let me know what you think about this new update in the comment section below. You like it, you don't like it, you don't care one way or the other. Yeah, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be back with a new video when they have a next update, or whatever. That's not the best way to end this video, but I'm ending it like that anyway. Peace out.